Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls or calls from unknown numbers, or you have one specific person that you want to block. For that, you need to go to your phone icon here, go to these three little dots and go to settings. When you're in your call settings, you have these block numbers here. So you can say block calls from unknown numbers. You can enable this. Block spam and scam calls. Use caller ID and spam protection to block calls from telemarketers, frauders, and other unwanted callers. You can click on that and say agree, and then the phone uses Hiya, I guess, to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who aren't in your contacts. So that's enabled. You can enable this as well. Block all spam and scam callers, only block high-risk scam callers. So you have a few options you can make here. Then you can go back and you can also say to add a phone number. So if you have that one specific person that you want to block, you can add the person's phone number here and say block. So that's how you can block unknown and scam numbers. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.